Today we will read a story about seeds. We will ask and answer questions about key details in the story. Let's begin. A seed's job. A seed has one job. It is to make another plant of its kind. So I have a question. What did this page tell us a seed's job is? I can figure out this answer by going back to the text and reading what it says. A seed has one job. It is to make another plant of its kind. Okay, so a seed's job is to make another plant of its kind. I know this because I went back into the text and read the key details. Let's continue. Seed parts. The outer layer is called the seed coat. It protects everything inside the seed. So what is the outer layer of a seed called? Let's continue. Wait, before we continue, this is a picture of a sunflower seed, a chestnut seed, and a field bean seed. And it's showing you what the seed coat looks like on each seed. Inside each seed is a tiny plant. This plant is called an embryo. Embryos need water, oxygen, and warmth when they can grow. Then they can grow. So we learned that plants need water, air, and sunlight. So water, air is oxygen, and sunlight is the warmth that the plant is going to get from the sun. Growing. When the embryo grows, it breaks out of its seed. This is called germination. So what is it called when the embryo grows and breaks out of its seed? What is that big word we just read today? Let's continue. The radicle is the first thing to grow from the seed. The radicle is a young root. So this is the radicle, the young root growing out of the seed. So this is the seed, and here is the radicle growing out from the seed, which is the root. In some seeds, a young stem emerges next. It is called the plumule. The stem and leaves grow toward the sun. Leaves use light to make food for the plant. The roots grow downward. Roots collect water and food for the plant. The lower they grow, the more nutrients they find. So nutrients is food, and soil holds nutrients. So that's how plants are able to grow. The plant is strong. Now a flower can grow. The flower's job is to make more seeds. So what is the flower's job? How do you know? The end.